So my name is Jose Martinez. I'm a co-founder at HTX Made. I am head of production slash design. And here at HTX Made, we do a lot of furniture for architects locally and national. And as a small business, one of the things that that the industry has lacked in is actually supplying wood shops like ours with people that have skills. Workforce Solution has enabled us to find people that have the craftsmanship and are candidates that we can use in our industry for our wood shop and metal shop.
My name is Kelly Balhay, and I'm a career development coach here at the Workforce Solutions. I became involved with HTX Made when I onboarded their first two on-the-job training employees. So when I began working with HTX Made, it became pretty obvious that the people that they need in order to work successfully with the company needs specific creative talents that not everybody possesses. So with Workforce Solutions, one of the best things that we could offer them was to be able to locate, identify, and refer to them people who not only had the woodworking skills, but who possessed the creativity. And with one of the employees in particular, it was really an incredible match, and it worked out very well.
Before, we were just grabbing people that we knew and friends and whatever. I didn't do anything, but I saw this as a gold mine because there's actually a person that has some background in some sort of industry where this person has worked in. What doesn't have to be woodworking, doesn't have to be metal, but at least have the common sense of how things would work.
At HTX Made, I worked with Orlando, and he came in with no experience in this particular craft of creating, designing, and selling unique wood products.
My name is Orlando Mendoza. I'm a woodshop fabricator apprentice working for HTX Made. Well, before HTX Made, I was working in the oil and gas industry, jumping from company to company, something that wasn't steady, long-term. Then with HTX Made, it's more long-term, reliable. On my first day at HTX Made, I walked into something I didn't know. So since I've been here, I learned how to operate the equipment, learned how to sand and the different species and types of wood.
Through the on-the-job training, one of the things that we do is these people are vetted through the Workforce Solution, that we're acknowledging that they have some type of trade on the background. Doesn't have to be woodworking, doesn't have to be metal, doesn't have to be design or anything like that, or furniture, but at least they are open-minded for us to teach them something new. So the structure behind this program has been very supportive in communication and resources. Definitely a lot of communications towards both the trainee and the employer, which is really good to have.
So my role as a coach with HTX Made is really just to kind of, I'm really just a glorified cheerleader at the end of the day. My job is to make sure that each and every person I work with has all the tools and resources they need to make it into work every day so that they are on time, they are able to focus, and that they have a good fit, that they feel confident that this job is going to either propel them further into this field, which is where they want to go, or gives them the tools to get to the next place that they're going to.
One of the things that I think on-the-job training really works is because we're investing in an individual that they're going to take that talent and apply it somewhere else, or on their own, or maybe they start their own business. And one of the things that we do here at HTX Made, I wouldn't say it's a lost trade, but we are trying to bring back solid wood furniture, longevity, and sustainable product.
So HTX Made and Workforce Solutions, I feel, has made a very good relationship in that they were unable to find people who could fit their true need. And once we were able to work with them, the recruiters did an excellent job of providing potential candidates. And in the future, I do believe that we'll be able to continue on with that relationship and continue to help them build their company as they grow.
As a small business ourselves, I would highly recommend Workforce for other small businesses that also need experience or people that can be trainable as well.